guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. It's going to be a short video. I want to give away. The channel that I won the giveaway from is Granny Makeup and Skincare over 65. I've been watching this lady for a minute now. I found her through Leanne Sero. I hope I got that right. I always butcher that name. Anyway, I've been watching, her name is Pamela, for quite a while now, and I really enjoy her. And being a older, mature woman, like I said, we all want to look good no matter what age we are. So I enjoy watching her and wanted to go ahead and show y'all what I won. She did send it in the Beautylish box from the new year, which this paper is to die for. But I won her Blue Blood palette that I believe actually came in her lucky box. But the Blue Blood palette, everybody has seen it. It's got the really cool dogs. It's got the really cool cover. And there's Chloe. And if you open it up, it is the coffin case jewelry box with the little clasp. I will go ahead and show y'all what it looks like. And that is what it looks like, brand new. I can assure you that mine does not look like that anymore. I do have this palette. I am gifting this palette to my mother, just for the simple fact that when it came out, she wanted it. I bought one for a giveaway and couldn't afford all three. This is what my palette looks like. It has been well loved. I do reach for this palette quite a bit, even though when I got it, it was simply to have the Jeffree Star eyeshadow collection. I do actually like that palette and use it quite a bit. So this new one I am going to be giving to my mother. It will make her day. I will leave Granny Makeup and Skincare over 65 channel down in my description box for y'all to go check out. Like I said, her name is Pamela. Please do let her know that I sent you over. It's always nice to see people actually go over and follow when you tell them about a new channel, and then who actually brought them to your channel, so you know who's watching and who's not. Anyway, that was my giveaway. Like I said, it was going to be a short video. Do go check her out. While we are here, I would also like to say that the 16th was our 1-year anniversary on YouTube. Thank y'all very, very, very much. You have no idea what it means. And I will let you know today I am wearing the burn book on my eyes. It's a lot different than the Boxycharm Storybook Cosmetic palettes that we received in Boxycharm. I will be doing a video on it, but that is what that palette looks like. It's a very nice palette. I enjoyed the colors. The orange and pink and maroon were the top 3 colors I used. And then I am wearing Candy Freeze and Jeffree Star on my lips. So that is what I'm wearing on my face today. I am still using the 24 karat moisturizer. I said I would be using that for 30 days. I know there's a lot of controversy over it. I say use what you want. But that's my video. I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you for taking the time to view it. As always, like, share, comment, and subscribe. It does help the channel. And until next time, y'all stay beautiful. Bye, guys.